How to log in Amazon Prime with another account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Amazon application on your device. Now once you have opened and signed into a particular account and you want to sign in with a different account, then the only option is to log yourself out. So tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on the settings option you see there. Scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for sign out. Tap on that and then in the confirmation that appears, tap on sign out again. You will then be led to the login page of Amazon Prime. So go ahead and enter your login credentials for the other account in Amazon Prime. You will simply need to enter your mobile number or email and your account password. Once entered, if the login credentials that you entered is correct, then you will be logged in to Amazon Prime with another account. So this is how you can log in Amazon Prime with another account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.